I don't know why I'm doing this for you guys, but I'm actually a little nervous, but I don't know why. But so last time I was shopping at I've shopped at the Japanese market, and sometimes they'll carry some Korean stuff too at the Japanese markets I shop at Little Tokyo. And basically, I just picked up the Volcano Chicken Noodles, known as one of the spiciest ever Japanese Korean noodles. But I heard this stuff was really spicy. So many YouTubers are giving it a try, and what happened was I didn't have time to get the big portion size, but they had a cup of noodle size portion, so this is actually going to be my first time trying the Volcano Chicken Noodles. Oh man. I don't know what to say right now, but I'm going to have to go off camera right now because I want to prepare this. But anyway, see you guys back in a few minutes. Alright guys, here it is, already prepared. As you can see inside, I even did my best to squeeze out all the sauce packet. Here's the sauce packet. There was really nothing much to it. Actually, except for just the sauce packet. There was like no vegetables, none of that stuff, so I guess it's just straight up spicy noodles. Man. And I'm going to try to see if I can finish this. So. Oh well, thumbs up. Oh! Dang. Whoa. Dang. That is like... I will admit, I'm part Korean, and I'm also part Hispanic, Mexican, so I should be able to tolerate the heat, but the highest heat level I could tolerate was mild or medium, but maybe spicy, but this is like inferno. Oh man. Oh, my nose is like draining right now, and I already got the back of the throat. My mouth feels like it's like on fire. My mouth feels like it's sizzling hot. You know, kind of like if you're cooking something really hot. I wonder if this is more of a dry heat. The sauce came out like tar, so it wasn't like powdery or something. This was kind of like the sauce you find out of a hot sauce bottle. But, oh. I'm glad I got a smaller one because I'm not torturing myself with a... Oh man, look at... I'm even wiping my napkin in. Oh. Oh boy. I'm so glad I didn't buy the bigger bowl, the bigger portion. Otherwise, I'd be all like, oh man. And what else is crazy is I just got over a cold and flu like weeks ago, so... Oh man. This is going to be brutal. I will say, I'm a huge fan of noodles. I like trying these instant noodles out. But... Oh man. My nose... I feel my nose draining already. I'm going to have to... Sorry, but... It's a good thing I armed myself with a bunch of napkins because I really don't want to make a mess in my room. Oh man. I'm already feeling the heat. My mouth feels like it's really sizzling. I've had wild buffalo wings before, fired buffalo wings from KFC years ago, and those sure pack the heat, but dang. Come on. Oh. Oh man. I'm relieved that was my last bite. I don't know how people could actually eat this stuff. Oh man. I'm glad I just went for a small portion. I'm not going to torture myself that far, but it's already empty and oh. I feel like my nose draining already and my mouth feels like sizzling fire. It feels like I just put my tongue or my mouth on the grill or a frying pan. That's what it feels like right now, and whew. Oh man. Oh man. I'm already like breaking up a sweat already. Oh man. And my nose is like draining right now. Oh man. That was brutal. But, you know, I gotta give some competitive eating a try. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video right now. I think I'm going to cool down with a glass of milk, but got done trying the Volcano Chicken Noodles, the Korean or Japanese World's Hottest Noodles. I'm glad I got the cup size because I'm not getting a bigger portion and torturing myself, but dang, just having a small portion, it's, man, that's really spicy. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed myself here trying out the World's Hottest Noodles, Volcano Chicken Noodles. Hope you guys enjoyed me trying them out and committed to finishing up. So I wasn't going to just take one bite and toss it, but finish up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next one. I think I'm going to go for a glass of milk now. See ya.